In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen in a Microsoft Teams meeting. Screen sharing is one of the most useful features in Teams. Whether you're presenting slides, walking through a document, or giving someone a quick demo. So in this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step and explain what each option actually does, so you feel confident using it in your next call. First, make sure you're already in a Teams meeting. This can be a scheduled meeting from your calendar, or an instant meeting you've just started. Once you're in the call, look along the meeting toolbar, usually at the top or bottom of your screen, depending on your device. You'll see an icon that looks like a rectangle with an arrow pointing up. This is the Screen Share or Present button. Go ahead and click that Share button. When you do, a sharing menu will open. This is where you choose exactly what you want others to see. Teams normally gives you three main choices: share your entire screen, share a specific window, or share a PowerPoint or other file. If you choose to share your entire screen, everyone in the meeting will see everything on that screen, including notifications and anything you switch to. This is great if you need to jump between multiple apps, but make sure you close anything personal or unrelated first. It's also a good idea to turn off desktop notifications to avoid distractions. If you only want to show one program, like a browser window or a single app, choose the window option. Then, pick the specific window from the list. This keeps everything else on your computer private, even if you move other windows around in the background. You may also see a section for sharing PowerPoint or other files directly. When you pick a file here, Teams uploads it into the meeting so participants can follow along, and in some cases, even navigate the slides themselves if you allow it. This is handy when you're presenting a deck and don't want to share your whole desktop. Before you confirm what you're sharing, look for the option to include computer sound if you plan to play a video or any audio from your device. Turn that on so everyone can hear what you're hearing. Once you've selected what you want to share, click it, and after a brief moment, participants will see your shared content. You'll notice a colored border or small toolbar indicating what you're currently sharing. When you're finished, simply click the Stop Sharing button on that toolbar or in the meeting controls to return to the normal video view.